I'm Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to create an easy to do short updo. I'm going to take the Moroccanoil Molding Cream, take a generous amount, in the palm of my hand, tip my head to one side and start working it through. Now I'm going to go to the other side. What's really good is that it gives you a lot of hold without flaking and really get in there in the front and up through the top. So now the updo fun begins. I'm gonna take all my hair from one side, slick all this hair from one side around to the back. I'm gonna use 3 or 4 bobby pins probably to just put that right to the back of my head. You just wanna get the pins as much as possible right on top of each other because you're gonna use them for the base of the other side. So there, you've got one side nice and slicked over. You're gonna bring that other side kind of back, almost like a ponytail. You're gonna tuck all that hair to hide those other bobby pins. And you're gonna secure them with your U-pin. When you get to where the bobby pins are, you're gonna turn back in the other direction. And then you just slide it right in past where the bobby pin is. And then I'm just gonna take any loose pieces like I found back here and just use one of those U-pins again to just secure it. Again, it doesn't have to be totally perfect. And I'm just gonna finish with a little bit of my hairspray